Is your garage door getting stuck or operating unevenly? Misaligned or bent tracks could be the cause. The tracks on either side of your garage door can become misaligned or bent over time, leading to frustrating and unsafe operation. If you're in the Primbee area and experiencing this issue, don't wait for it to get worse. Call 0409774111 today to have your garage door repaired by our qualified professionals. Ensure smooth and safe operation with our expert service. Contact us now for reliable garage door repairs.